Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Bluehost email. I'm inside my Bluehost account, and to set up your Bluehost email, simply click on Email and Office from this left side menu. Then go to cPanel Email. Select Email Accounts and click on Continue. Now you're inside the cPanel. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to Ben's Experience University today for free. Inside this online university, there are many online courses that can help you with your online business. This Bluehost online course, for example, will teach you how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account and domain name, and also how to optimize your website performance or manage your billing and account. To get all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Once you arrive in this page, click on this Create Blue button. From this list, select your domain name you want to create or set up your Bluehost email on. Here, fill in your email's address, username, for example, contact. As you see, my password is strong. After that, click on Edit Settings next to Optional Settings in order to select the maximum storage space for your Bluehost email. This maximum storage space depends on your hosting plan. The more you pay, the more maximum storage you get. After that, click on Create and wait a moment. As you see, my Bluehost email is created. Click on this check email next to your newly created business or Bluehost email in order to arrive in your inbox. But before that, click on this blue open button. And this is your Bluehost email inbox. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.